Today I want to talk to you about this portable heavy-duty tire inflator. It was sent to me by the company so I could try it out and then share with you my thoughts and experiences. And after having used it for a while, I've got a lot of great things to share with you about this. So in today's video, we'll begin by first talking about everything that comes with this. Then I will explain all of its various features. And then before I give you my final thoughts, we'll go out into the real world and I'll demonstrate these features, including showing you how to use this to inflate your car tires. So let's get started. Here's everything that you get in the box. First, we have the user manual. Next, we have this cord. It's a USB to USB-C cable, and this can be used in two ways. First, to power or charge the internal battery inside the portable inflator. And then the other way we can use this is to use the internal battery as a power bank for your portable electronic devices like your smartphone. And then lastly, over here we have this nozzle or adapter that we'll put on the end of the hose that will allow us to inflate tires, and it will grab onto the valve stem on your tire and then you'll be able to inflate it. Now, one thing I also want to point out with this is this handle is metal. A lot of these portable inflators will have a plastic piece in here, but this is metal, so that's nice. I like that. Now, moving on to the portable inflator itself, the first thing I want to point out is it looks a little bit different than some of the others, and I kind of like some of these differences. First of all, we have this built-in handle, so it's super easy to just grab this when your hands are full and bring it with you. As we take a look on the back, you can see all of the accessories. They're not loose laying around, something that you need to remember to bring with you. They're all right here. Here we have the adapters or the nozzles that we might need depending on what we're inflating. And this one here would be used for things like pool floaties, inflatable mattresses. This we can use this needle for balls like footballs, basketballs, soccer balls. And then this right here would take a skinny valve stem and make it bigger so we can use this to inflate it. So all of these are very helpful and they have a home. They just all snap right into place, so you don't have to worry about remembering them or losing them. And then we have the hose right here. This is awesome. It is all held into place, and when it's all unwrapped, it's 3 feet in length. You will be hard pressed to find another portable inflator with a 3-foot long hose, but this one has it. Now, let's take a look here on the back. This is the USB port for when we want to use the cable to charge your smartphone or other device. And then this is the USB-C port that we'll use to charge the internal battery inside the portable inflator. Now, when we take a look at this, you'll see that there are threads on this, and you just spin it in here and you're ready to go. So simple as that. Now let's turn on the unit and take a look at some of the different features. And when I'm looking in the camera right now, it might look like these are flashing, but they are very solid. When you look at them with your own eyes, they're bright, they're not flashing. So if you're seeing that on your screen that you're looking at this, don't worry about it. Now, we see here there's a little car, and it's 35 PSI, and it reads 0 because we don't have it hooked up to anything. So it reads 0 pressure in the hose, which is what it should. Now, we can go through the different modes, and we're in car right now. Here we have the bicycle mode. We have ball mode, and then this is your custom mode. Now, one thing I want to point out here is that we have a maximum of 160 PSI, which is higher than a lot of other portable inflators out there. Most of them are going to only max out at 150, but this goes up to 160 PSI. Now, if I want to reduce it, I'm not stuck with these defaults. I can go through and change them, and Let me get back to car. I might want to have 36, and so I will go up to 36. And a lot of portable inflators don't go by tenths of PSI, so I really like that ability to be able to fine tune the pressure you're putting in there. And then when we take a look at the units, it's PSI, but if you want something else, you just hold the mode button down and you can see it cycles through. But I use PSI, so we'll leave it there. And when we take a look at the emergency light, we just push this button right here. And when it comes on, it may not look like much, but I'll show you later just how bright this is. And I can push it again, and you have the light, but it's in a dimmer setting. And that is, again, something that you don't see on every portable inflator that has an emergency light like this, which is really great if you're in a place where you're concerned about extending the life of the battery, but you need the light. This will help the battery last longer. If I keep pushing the light button, you can see it has the strobe and then the SOS feature as well. So now I think we've covered all of the different features. Let's go outside and I'll show you how to use this. Now I'm using the emergency light, and you can tell that I can see anything that I would need to if I were stranded alongside a dark road at night. And now let me turn down the light to the lower setting, and you can see still the light is bright enough that I can still make out anything that I need to if I need to have a light but yet make the battery last as long as possible. So this is wonderful. Now I'm getting ready to use this portable inflator to inflate the tire on my vehicle, and I just want to point out that it can run for up to 20 minutes without overheating thanks to its advanced dual cooling system. But as you're going to find out, we don't have to worry about that because it's going to make quick work of this tire. I'm almost ready to start inflating the tire now. I've taken the valve stem off, and before I get started, I want to first point out, look at how long this hose is. The valve stem is at the top of the tire, and it can reach so much farther than that. So you aren't going to have to worry about having to hold this up in the air to reach valve stems that are at the top of a tire. So let's put this on, and you can see that it is reading. I'm going to put the camera closer here to see if we can get a better look with the reflections and everything. You can see that we're at 28.8, and I don't want to go to 35. I want to go to 33 PSI for these tires, so I'm going down. Oops, not quite. All right. So now all I need to do is push start, and it will begin inflating, and it should stop when we get to 33. And there we are, exactly at 33 PSI, and it shut off just like we wanted it to. Super quick, super easy to use. So if you're looking for a well thought out, compact, portable inflator that can also serve as an emergency light and power bank for your electronic devices, this affordable all-in-one solution is definitely worth checking out. I hope this video has helped. If you would like to buy this product or you would like to learn more, a link is in the description. Thanks for watching.